Are you hearing me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Today we are going to discuss about some questions from algebra. Okay,
Okay, sir.
practice for your BLE exam. So let's start from short questions. I think in two sections you are in chapter of algebra. I don't know about the third section. Which chapter you are learning? Section 8.
Algebra.
Yes.
Section C in some equation.
Equation.
In section C.
Equation is also part. So all of you be muted yourself. Muted condition number, sir. Okay. So we'll solve some questions related to 1 marks, then 2 marks, and then we'll discuss other questions. Just look at this question. You may copy it in your copy, or you may take a screenshot of this. Very easy question for you.
Yes, sir.
At first, what is given here? 4a square and 49b square. We have to make formula from it, that is a square minus b square. And what is the formula of a square minus b square?
A minus
A
B
plus B bracket.
minus B
A
plus
minus B bracket.
Take this given value in its solution, 4a square minus 49b square. Now 4a square can be written as 2a whole square, and minus 49b square can be written as 7b whole square.
2a plus 7b
Times 2a minus
7b. 7b.
I think it is clear to you all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if it is clear, this one is our final answer. Look at next question, and you can tell its answer yourself without solving it. Can you tell the answer?
Yes, sir. 0.
5 power x is equal to 1. What will be the value of x?
0.
So what will be the value of x?
0.
It will be 0.
Yes.
Find it. Just look at the question. What is said here? It is said to find it. Okay. So we don't have to write it directly. Directly 0 हुन्छ भनेर लेख्ने होइन. Remember it. Is there at last? Find it. Because of this, we have to simplify it from the given. Given thing is 5 power x is equal to 1. It is given to us. And we know that 1 means 5 power 0. In place of 1, we can write 5 power 0. So 5 power x is equal to 5 power 0. From both sides, if we'll remove the equal bases, we will get x is equal to 0. This is the required answer. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
So if anyone have confusion to me, there is no confusion. Let's move to next one. Question number 3. Question number 3 is evaluate. Do you have copy and pen? You can try it because there is a easy question. 81 to the power minus 3 by 4. So what we can write for 81 in place of 81?
9.
9 only.
9.
9.
Square. Some are saying 9 only or 9 square.
9.
9 square.
Try to factorize not only up to 9. What you will get after factorizing 81? Yes.
9 whole square minus 3 upon 4 into 2.
So can't we write it as 3 into 3 into 3? It is 4 times 3 into 3 into 3. That means it is 3 to the power 4, isn't it? 81
Yes, sir.
means 3 to the power 4. So in place of 81, we have to write 3 to the power 4. And now 4 and 4 cancel. This 4
Minus.
and 1, they are cancelled. Remaining value is 3 to the power minus 3. And if there is a power minus m, we have to write it as 1 by a power m, or we have to take it in denominator. Power minus 7, your denominator la janta. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it becomes 1 by 3 cube. And what is the value of 3 cube? What is the
27.
value of 3 cube?
27.
1 by 27.
27. Its final answer is 1 by 27. Okay,
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
so this is our required answer. If you are copying, copy it or take a screenshot. From somewhere sound is repeating. Anyone have started 2 devices from the same place? Okay, so be muted. Don't on 2 devices. I have 2 devices, but in one device I don't have mic. Because of that, I have 2 devices here. Okay, now look at next question. Question number 4. For what value of a, 7 by a plus 1 is undefined? For what value of a, 7 by a plus 1 is undefined?
Minus
So-
1.
What is the meaning of it?
In the place of A, we should put 6.
We have to put 6.
Yes, sir, in the
6
place
plus
of A.
1, that will be 7. 7 by 7 is undefined?
0.
No, sir.
No. 7 by 7 is 1. You said 0. You are in 8th class and you are saying 7 by 7, 0.
1.
Minus 1.
Minus
Sir,
1.
a equals to minus 1.
To make value of fraction undefined, its
We have to-
denominator must be 0.
0.
Denominator 0 hunu parcha.
Yes, sir.
That means a plus 1 must be 0. Value of a plus 1 must be
Minus
0.
1.
0.
So what
Minus
value
1,
we have to put in place of a to make it 0? A plus 1 0 बनाउनको लागि a को ठाउँमा कति राख्नु पर्छ?
Minus 1.
Minus
Minus
1.
1.
Minus 1. There must be minus 1. Isn't it? So that
Yes,
you
sir.
can write directly or you can calculate it. Okay. So process to calculate is for a plus 1 is equal to 0, given expression is undefined. If this denominator will be 0, then this expression will be undefined. Means 7 by 0 is undefined. If something is divided by 0, it is always undefined. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If something is divided by 0, it is undefined. If 0 is divided by something, it is 0 only. But if something is divided by 0, it is undefined. यो चाहिँ clear हुनु पर्यो है सबैजना. Just look at this one. For example, there is 15, okay, and in denominator there is 0. So what is the meaning of division? What is meaning of
Divided
this
by 0.
division? Yes. What is meaning of this 15 divided by 0? Can anyone say?
0 had to divide 15.
We have to divide 15 by 0. 15 like 0 में divide
No, sir. A plus 1 को value 0 हो.
1 को value 0 होता हुँदै हुँदैन. 1 is 1 and
A
0
plus
is
1
0.
को, sir.
Yes, please.
A plus 1's value is 0, sir. In given expression.
त्यसलाई छोड, we are discussing about this only. यो जुन अहिले भर्खर यहाँनिर लेखेँ नि मैले यो 15 divided by 0, what
Yes,
is the
sir.
meaning of this? You must understand the meaning also. You are just learning only and you don't know the meaning. केही कुरा
7 minus
पढ्दैछौ, सिक्दैछौ, question solve गर्न सिक्दैछौ, but you are not understanding the meaning of the question, isn't it?
Undefined.
Yes, sir.
7 minus 3.
15 divided by 0. There is no, just for one example, if there are chocolates, if these 15 are chocolates, यहाँ 15 वटा चकलेटहरु छन्, 15 वटा चकलेट बाँड्नु पर्ने छ. डिवाइड मीन्स बाँड्नु पर्ने, that is distributed to some, but how many people are there to distribute? बाँड्नु पर्ने कति जनालाई छ?
0.
There are no persons to distribute. I have 15 chocolates, but there are no persons to distribute those chocolates. But how many chocolates will you get? मान्छे नै छैन भने तिमीहरूले कतिवटा चकलेट पाउलान् भनेर भन्यो भने त्यो कुरा डिफाइन हुन्छ त?
Undefined.
Undefined answer.
That is not defined thing, because there are no people to distribute those chocolates. I have 15 chocolates and there are no people to distribute. And no one can say how many chocolates they get, because there are no people. Because of this reason, this is the undefined. Undefined denominator मा 0 किन हुनुपर्छ भनेको भन्दा 0 लाई डिस्ट्रिब्युट गर्दाखेरि बाँड्दाखेरि त्यो बाँड्न नै सकिदैन. It is not possible to distribute if there are 0 to distribute the given thing. दिएको कुरा 0 लाई बाँड्नु छ भने बाँड्न सकिदैन, not possible to distribute. So, undefined. त्यसैले a plus 1 equal to 0 भने हो. This is 0 लाई distribute गर्न सकिदैन. Or we can give something to 0 people undefined times or infinity times. जति जति दिए पनि 7 बाँकी नै रहने हो. 7 लाई 0 ले divide गर्दा. Okay. So from it, what we will get? A is equal to minus 1. Take this plus 1 to right side. After taking it to plus minus, plus sign is changed into minus 1. So A is equal to minus 1 is our answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or directly also you can write A is equal to minus 1. For A is equal to minus 1, 7 by A plus 1 is undefined. Now look at next question. 5th question. For this is the question for 2 marks. Previous 4 questions were of 1 marks only. Now question is, if x is equal to 12, find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. This is asked to us. X is equal to 12 is given, and we have to find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square.
Yes, sir.
So this is given to us such that we can use the formula of a square plus b square. This question try to know, you know the formula of a square plus b square or not?
Yes,
That
sir.
is the meaning of this question. तिमीहरूलाई a square plus b square को formula आउँछ कि आउँदैन चेक गर्न खोज्या हो. What is the formula of a square plus b square?
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
Is that the formula of a square plus b square?
A plus B whole square minus 2AB.
A plus
plus
b
b,
whole
a minus
square minus b is the formula of a square plus b square. Student says the formula of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, but a square plus b square means a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So here we have to use same formula, x square plus 1 by x square. It means x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. We use formula a plus b.
Yes, sir.
It is
Son.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now this x and this x, these two are cancelled from numerator and denominator. The remaining value is x plus 1 by x square minus 2 into 1. It is 2 only. And in place of x, we have 12. X को value कति छ त? This is 12. In place of this x, we have to put 12. In place of this another x also, we have to put 12, and this 2 remains as it is. Other things we have to leave as it is. Okay.
So,
So
sir,
in
first
next
my x को value राखेर square गरेर काट्नु
yes, you can solve by that method also. Okay. How I solve here, just look at the form, then we'll discuss about that also. यहाँ अहिले भर्खर एकछिन अगाडिको स्टेपमा हामीले के गरेका थियौँ त यहाँनिर in this step what we get x plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. X र x cancel हुन्छ हैन, x and x cancel, remaining value x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. So in place of x plus 1 by x, I substituted value of x. यहाँनिर value राखे 12 plus 1 by 12 whole square minus 2 into 1, it is 2 only.
-2.
Now 12
Yes, sir.
into 12 plus 1. It is 12 into 12, 144 plus 1, 143 by 12, it's square minus 2. Square of 143 is 20,449 and divided by 12 is square 144. Again take LCM. LCM is 144. 20,449 minus 2 into 144. It is 28 divided by 144. Now 20,449 minus 288 is 20,161 divided by 144. This is our required answer. It is clear to you all?
-2 कसरी आयो back
-2. Okay. Look at this step. Just look at this step. Yeah, Arada. To x and x cancel. X and x cancel. After cancelling x and x, what is remaining here? 2 into 1?
-2.
So minus. Okay.
yes sir
It is clear, Toran?
yes sir
So this 2 comes in next step. ये 2 आएको यो यहाँनिर x को ठाउँमा राख्यौं, यहाँ पनि 12 राख्यौं. And as you said previously, we can solve it by another method also. So for that, look at the screen. Okay. I can show it by this method. We can write here 12 square plus 1 by 12 its square. Okay. Directly यसो गरे पनि हुन्छ.
yes sir
यहाँ x square plus 1 by x square छ नि हाम्रो क्वेशनमा. In
yes sir
question we have x square plus 1 by x square. So value of x is 12. Value of x is 12 means x square. It is 12 square plus 1 by x square means 1 by 12 square. Now in place of this also there will be 144 plus next one is 1 by 144. Okay.
yes sir
Now this will be the next step. अर्को step यस्तो हुने हो. Then in third step we have to multiply 144 and 144. 144 र 144 multiply गर्दा कति हुन्छ? 144 square. It is 20,736.
yes sir
20,736. So it will be numerator 20,736 plus 1 divided by
1
we get the different value. This is the next step. And after adding it, what we'll get? Numerator 3737 divided by 144. So maybe we did mistake somewhere while calculating. Otherwise, answer of both method will be same. Okay.
So 144 into 144 गर्दाखेरि चौरको 144 माथिको 144 काट्न मिल्यो
यो दुईटा multiply गर्दा
Yes, sir.
no, we can't cancel. Cancel हुँदैन. Okay. Answer दुईटैबाट same आउनु पर्ने हो. We did mistake somewhere, I think, while calculating. Just check your previous calculation.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, you can do by this method also. Did you understand the method?
Yes, sir.
You can do it like 12 square plus 1 by 12 square, or as we use formula here, a formula use गरेको थियौं, x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. This is the next method. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now
So त्यसमा काट्न मिल्दैन त्यसरी
no, you can't cancel out. Cancel out गर्ने condition. Just look at this one. I will tell you the condition. Okay. You were saying about it. 144 into 144 plus 1 आउने माथिको हैन तल के आउँछ
144
there will be 144. Okay. And you were saying, can we cancel out these two? यो दुईटा cancel गर्न मिल्छ कि सर त्यही भने त हो.
Yes, sir.
So this we can't cancel out in case there is plus sign or negative sign. यहाँनिर एउटा plus sign देखिदैछ नि.
Yes, sir.
Or if there is negative sign, we can't cancel out. But if there is multiplication sign in place of this plus also, then we can cancel out.
Divide छ भने पनि मिल्यो
Numerator मा divide या multiplication छ भने तल र माथिको यो cancel out गर्न मिल्छ.
Yes, sir.
Numerator मा plus sign छ भने यसरी यो cancel out गर्न मिल्दैन. So this is the wrong. We can't cancel out. We have to leave it as it is. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now, sorry, look at this question. If A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1, and C is equal to -3, find the value of A power B into B power C into C power A. This is the next question for us. अब यहाँ तीनटै भ्यालु दिएको छ. A को भ्यालु पनि दिएको छ, B को भ्यालु पनि दिएको छ, C को भ्यालु पनि दिएको छ. हामीले फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने हो A power B, B power C, C power A को भ्यालु. Okay, for that at first write given thing. Given things are A is equal to B, B is equal to 1, and C is equal to -3. These things are given. We need to find out this value A power B, B power C, C power A. This one we have to find out and put the value of A. Value of A is 2. Just remember we are putting the values only. A को value यहाँनिर राख्यौं. And this is the value of B. A power B थियो नि त. And next one is B
Yes,
power C. B power C means this 1 power C. C is -3. यहाँबाट -3 आयो. Again C power A. C power A. यो C यहाँ आयो -3. And power A means power 2. These all values we have taken from here only. This is the value of A. This is value of B. It is value of B. This one is C, and this is value of C, and this one is value of A. All values we substituted from here only. Now, what is the value of 2 power 1?
2.
Value of 2 power 1 is 2 only. Value of 1 power -3. Value of 1 power anything, that is 1 only. 1 को पावरमा जति भए पनि 1 नै हुन्छ 1 स्क्वायर 1 क्यूब 1 पावर 4 1 पावर 100 1 पावर 100 भनेको पनि के नै हो 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 लाई 1 ले जतिचोटि मल्टिप्लाई गरे पनि 1 नै हुन्छ
Yes, sir.
1 power anything is 0 sorry 1 power something means always it is 1 and next minus 3 square minus 3 square means,
9.
sorry, minus 3 into
Minus
minus 3 no minus
9 9
minus into minus that will be plus. So square of negative means plus positive sign. Okay. Square of negative means positive sign. It will be plus 9. 3 square 9 minus square plus. So in next step we have to write 2 into 1 into 9 and 2 into 1 into 9 is equal to 18. This is our
18.
answer.
18.
Sir, minus 3 को पावरमा 3 भए भए minus 9 आउँछ
Oh, minus 9 आउँछ माइनस को पावरमा इवन नंबर भयो भने प्लस आउँछ इफ देयर इज ऑड नंबर दैट विल बी नेगेटिभ
Yes,
डिड यु
sir.
गट व्हाट आई सेड
Yes, sir.
माइनस 3 को पावरमा इवन नंबर छ भने प्लस आउँछ माइनस 3 यसको पावरमा ऑड नंबर छ भने माइनस आउँछ ऑड नंबर भनेको 3 5 7 तिनीहरु भयो भने यहाँ माइनस आउँथ्यो यहाँ इवन नंबर छ 2 बिकज अफ दैट इट इज पोजिटिभ त्यसको
Yes, sir.
मिनिङ के हो भने माइनसलाई इभन टाइम्स मल्टिप्लाई गरे भने पोजिटिभ नै आउँछ अड टाइम्स मल्टिप्लाई गरे भने माइनसलाई के हुन्छ त नेगेटिभ हुन्छ ओके clear to you all
Yes, sir.
okay, so let's move to next question are you observing it
Yes, sir.
question is x power 2m plus n into x power n minus m divided by x to the power m minus 2n. That is our question. For it, at first, we have to multiply in multiplication. If bases are same, so by using the law of indices, we have to add their powers. And in division, if bases are same, then by using law of indices, we have to subtract the power. Base same multiply the power. Add unsa base same sa bhane divide the power ke huncha subtract huncha. That you have to remember. So at first, we will write here x to the power 2m plus n plus n minus n divided by x to the power m minus 2n. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Again, there is sign of division. So subtract it. While subtracting, we have to change the sign. It becomes minus m and this becomes plus 2n. So check all the values. 2m minus m, it is m minus m, again it is 0. N plus 2n, it will be 4n. So x to the power 4n is our final answer. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
So this much I prepared for you today. So this much for today. We'll meet again in next class. Thank you very much. Have a good day.